Okay, I've got your file open in 2018, Home Designer Pro 2018. I'm going to turn the grid off. I don't use that. And we'll do an overview. So I can't share this file back with you. I can only just show you what I'm doing with it. Yeah, there's the hole. Walls are defined in three-dimensional views like this with polylines. You click on a wall, an attic wall in particular, you just see the move handles on the edges of it. There's actually three walls that you're seeing there. And then down here, I'm going to click on that. Now, the first four walls, I have to click on it and then hit the tab key. And then now I've got the wall polyline. And these are malleable. You can edit them. You can see there's a bunch of breaks in here. And they're probably caused by this roof plane here cutting into the edge of this wall. I'm going to go back to plan. Okay, you got roof planes turned off. I'm going to turn those on. Roof planes, and I want baselines turned on. Okay, they're on. Okay, so here's where I'm looking, but and here's this roof plane edge right here. See how it's sticking into the wall? That's what's causing your problem. So I'm going to move that to the outside of this wall here. Oh, I see you've got auto roofs turned on. And the auto roofs was actually the problem. Okay, it's turned off. Now let's see if that helped. Well, it didn't. Let's just click on this roof plane and try to get the edge. There we go. Well, that's kind of goofy. Well, I'm going to pull it back. Okay, that was actually too much. Because in this wall, okay. Let's see what we can do with this to straighten out the wall polyline. I'm just going to drag that up. Well, there's a lot of break lines there, and I can't see them very clearly. There, and I can see that more clearly. So I'm just reshaping the wall polyline that defines this wall in 3D images. I'm just taking these breakpoints and dragging them out to simplify the edge here. I'm going to drag that one over here. I'm going to try to, well, drag that over there. Okay. That still hasn't solved our problem. It looks like to me that this roof plane edge is still sticking through the edge. Let's go back to plan view. Oh yeah, look, it's way in there. See, I couldn't tell on the 3D camera. And that should, why does it keep, okay. It was snapping over there. Yeah, like that. I don't want it to snap. So it's what's causing it to snap. See, this one's properly placed. I'm going to see if it won't snap to that one. No, it's still snapping back. What's causing that? I don't see anything in particular. Turn on the reference display and see if that helps at all. No, not really. Okay, what I'm going to do is break this edge off here. It didn't break. I'm having a little trouble getting the brake line tool to work. If I pull it over here, it just has a tendency to snap back. I'm going to try to break it over here. Okay, we'll do it this way. I just want this roof plane off of that wall. It's still not, hadn't healed it up. here's the attic walls up here. You might just take this one and pull it down. And the software says, hey, that's an automatically generated wall. No, I don't care. That fixed it. Now, I hope it didn't mess up anything on the inside. Let's check that. I'm going to turn the reference display off. Do a cross section from the opposite side. Yeah, we got a little bit of a problem here. You click on that and see, okay, let me see what kind of wall that is. Okay, that's an automatically generated wall. And this is in the attic, so it shouldn't show up. Let's click on this. Yeah, these wall polylines are kind of all over the place. Let's do some floor cameras and see if what it looks like. Just want to make sure that my fix didn't mess something up. Okay, that looks all right. And that's the attic, and who cares what the attic looks like? I think that's it. Let's check this area over here. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay. So I think that will fix you up. Let's go back to an overview. And that fix should stay put. And it's just a wall polyline, kind of a problem. You know, I straightened out this one, and I actually, we don't need all these multiple automatically generated walls. We could just draw over them with like that. Yeah, okay, that generated. See, that's caused by this roof plane here. Now, let me click on that edge and see if I can get it to snap out here. See, it's just going. Yeah, okay, that fixed it. See, now there's just one attic wall, and that roof plane, though automatically generated, was improperly automatically generated. Which, you know, the software is really great, but it's not perfect, and you have to step in and fix things like that when they occur. So I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.